Here we go, folks. 2020, first time picking winter week. Just got a fresh new belt on her, folks. It's a 7720 John Deere. Here it comes feeding in the old feed house. Good. Get on the rig, see how we're running. How's she handling? Lost the belt, folks. I think we just tossed the drive control belt. Are you fucking kidding me? That's 4 hours worth of work. That belt's tossed. Yeah, we lost the belt. Fucking, yeah, she fucking shut her down. She might have been loose, maybe. She needs some tension going on there. Oh, wow. I'll tell you what's going on. What the fuck? I think you didn't have enough tension on her, Craig. Your belt put it right back on. Yep. I think this needs to come back more.
Probably tighten it up more.
Yeah, yeah. I think the tension.
Well, it probably fucking wore in.
Let's move forward. Let's get this reel belt back on. I think that's just leftovers from the other one. I don't see. Nah, there's no other belt up there, Craig. I'm looking at it right now. Go ahead and slap that other one back on. Let's get this motherfucker in the field. That's leftover belt from the original. It got caught up there and probably threw that belt out.
Right.
I don't see, there's not a spot for another belt. It's the original belt. Let's go ahead and let's get this back on. You guys get hung up on that fucking, on that belt. Yeah, no, it's doing good. Craig. Folks, we ain't gonna get anything picked today. Keep throwing belts. It's been a struggle. Been sick this morning. There we go, folks. Taking her in there today. Working good. Uh-oh. Header came up, bullshit sauce, folks. I think we might have a plug. So what's going on here, folks, is our header platform got left out all winter. Got a little rusty and it's not drawing in our shit very good. Right now we're adjusting the sheaves. We got like 4 mechanics in the back. We got 1 operator, camera guy, and other fucking people out here. But it's a full operation for the field today. See what's going on. Huh? I don't know. They're adjusting the sheaves and the shivs and the fucking washers. I don't know. Just go. It's not drawing it in. Huh? Yeah, what happens is we got some fucking dead coon shit down in there. It rusted out the floorboards of the fucking the reel here, folks. So we need a fucking prayer today from y'all. Alright, folks. Finally, the bullshit's dialed in. We're fighting this for like 2 hours trying to get this dialed in. Here he comes. The old fucking Harrow Gator's working. the shivs back here, if they're opened up too much, there's too much product out the back. Looks like it's doing pretty good right now. We're only at like a 15-20% seat loss, which is fine. We're just trying to get it in the market. The boat leaves tomorrow, so well, it should have a semi coming sometime today to offload us and get this shit down to the fucking river. So that right there is good signs, folks. The product's doing good. Looking good. Fucking really coming together. Yeah, there ain't nothing in it. Good. Hell yeah. Hey, why aren't you moving? I ain't worried about that. Got the air on? Did it work? What happened? Hey, are we running 750 RPM? Hell yeah! Let's go. Yeah, that's what I like. Let's go fast. Yeah, we don't want to fuck ourselves. She's a good crop this year, guys. There we go. Oh, we're back homing. There's all of our products right there, folks. Going in the old hopper. On a ski. Good. Now you got her plugged up. Huh? You think? God damn it. But nothing's coming out of the escape hatch. Fuck. He's clutched out. He's going to, he's bailing. I don't know. Might be broke. Alright. Is the alarm on? What's the matter? Why? Well, I'll drive it. All right, here we go, buddy. We got the rig coming in. Got to load up, take down the ADM, get her put on the old ship for the night. Looking real nice, Vern. Real fucking nice. Real fucking nice.
Perfect timing, too.
Huh?
Perfect timing, too.
Yeah. Real fucking nice. Real nice. Real fucking nice. Yeah. We're doing good. How you doing, Vern? Sometimes the auger looks weird. Yeah. Oh yeah, we're good. Hey, Matt, it's a little dirty, a little dirty. Is it? Don't waste it. Fuck. That's all we got. All we got. All we fucking got. He's got a lot. What? I don't care. Still good. You got a little extra. Whoa, we get run over.
You got a leak in there? Craig's about to lose a hand.
I wouldn't be putting my hand up there. God damn.
Yeah. Got to be drilled and mop riveted. Can stand the well.
Yeah, you gotta, we put rivets in there.
So hijack these real quick for my Scotch stuff. Gonna make that old ragged board look pretty good.
Yeah, it would. Fucking, they're drunk. He's drunk. Was he drunk?
Yeah.
Oh shit, they're beating the shit out of each other.
Oh yeah.
God, Jesus Christ. God damn. Jesus Christ. You fucking idiots. God damn. Jesus. What the fuck?
Are you filming?
Yeah, it's fucking drunk fest.
Oh,
Jesus. God damn. This is a hell of a farm, dude. This is a hell of a farm.
We'll get closer?
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
God damn. Here comes Steve-O.
I fucking love it.
God.
Folks, this is what happens when everybody's drunk.
Jesus Christ. Everybody's drunk. Drunker and skunks. Yeah, watch out, he gonna get somebody get run over with that motherfucker. Now what's going on?
I think it's fucking great.
Jesus Christ. God damn.
Never seen anything like it.
Nope, first time. Oh, shit. God damn.
Looks like he pissed himself.
God damn.
Oh god.
Jesus. They're drunk today, folks.
One ranch hand can't get a drunk ass off the ground.
Drunker and
he got kicked,
skunk.
He got punched. Acting like a damn fool.
Drunker and skunk.
Bob's laughing.
God.
I love it.
Look at him.
He's got a heart attack.
Jesus.
He's gonna fall.
Look at him. What is he doing?
Is he just screaming?
Oh yeah. He's throwing up. He doesn't listen, he says. Doesn't listen. I was like, well, he did. He's picking good.
Do yourself, bud.